Right, court is change. Service goes to Rayagada. Score 3-6. Rayagada 3. Rawatpur 6. Service goes to Rayagada player Bandu. Yes. This is second match. Rawatpur versus Rayagada match. What a match. Score 6-3. Rawatpur 0.6. Rayagada 0.3. Match is running. What a match this afternoon. What a players, two team players, very big players. Rawatpur team and Rayagada team players, very effective players, big players. This is big game. Yes, this is big game. Rawatpur versus Rayagada. Match is running. What a game. 0.63. Rawatpur versus Rayagada. Afternoon match. Weather is very good. Match is very hot. Yes. This is Porida grounds. What a shot. What a taken. Wow. What a playing players. Two team players. Playing well. Yes. 6-3. 6-3. Score. Rawatpur score 6. Rayagada score 3. Match is running. Yes. What a game. Service goes to Rayagada player Bantu. 4-6. Yes, score 4-6. Yes, 4-6. Rawatpur score 6. Rayagada score 4. Right, service goes to. 6-4, na? Right, 6-4. Service goes to Rawatpur player Suresh. Score 6-4. Rawatpur score 6. Rayagada score 4. And she is running. Yes, what a match this afternoon. This is second match. Rawatpur versus. Service goes to Rayagada player Sanu. 4-6 score. 4-6. What a match. What a players. Big players, I think. Two team players are big players. Match is running. Afternoon match, second match. What a play by Rayagada players. Score 5-6. What a shot by Chulbul. Yes, match is running. Weather is very cool. Match is running. This is Porida grounds. Second match, Rawatpur versus Rayagada. Mohan versus Munnas. Mohan, Rawatpur captain. Rayagada captain. Munnas. Yes. What a match. What a game. Yes. This is Daba volleyball from Porida grounds. What? Service goes to Rawatpur player Sanjay. 6-4 score. Score 6-4. What a match. What a dive by Rajendra, Rayagada player. Yes. This is second match, second game. Afternoon game. Rawatpur versus Rayagada. 6-4 score. Service goes to Rawatpur. Yeah. Right, 7-4 service goes to Rautpur. What a match, what a game. What a game. This is I think, what an interesting game. Challenging game. What a shot. Yes, score 7-4. Rautpur score 7. And Rayagada score 4. Match is running. What a match. This is second match. Rautpur versus Rayagada. Score 7-4. What a shot. Yes. What a match. Rautpur team players. Here goes to Rautpur. 8-4 score. 8-4. What a playing players. Rautpur players. What a rising players. Yes. Who is impact player? I think Rautpur player. Banu's impact player. Yes. Match is running. What a game. Score Rautpur 8. Rayagada 4. Yes. This is Banu's game, I think. Imagine. What a match. What a weather. Very cool. But match is very hot. Yes. 8-4 score. Rayagada score 4. Rautpur score 8. Match is running. Service goes to Rayagada. Sorry, Rautpur. Score 9-4. Right, service goes to Rautpur. Player Sanjay. What a match. What a match. Final ball. This is last ball. Game ball. Yes, game ball. Final ball. Rautpur player Sanjay. Who is impact player? I think Rautpur players Banu's. What a playing player. Yes. This is game. This is, I think, challenging game. Yes, game ball from Rautpur. Rayagada points 4. Rautpur game ball. What a match. What a match. Yes. What a game. Yes. This is Daba volleyball from Porida grounds. This is second match. Rautpur versus Rayagada. Rautpur game ball. Rayagada 4 points. Match is running. What a placements. What a technique by Banu. I think Rautpur player, Banu impact player. Yes. This is good game. Good match. Yes. Rayagada versus Rautpur. Very tension, I think. Out ball. Finally. Won by Rautpur. Rautpur captain Mohan. This is the game. Second game win by Mohan.